Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English Stories. Today, let's learn English with a simple story. Every morning, Emily woke up at 6 o'clock. The alarm rang softly on her phone. She did not jump out of bed. She stayed still for a moment and looked at the ceiling. Her room was small but clean. Sunlight came through the window slowly. Another day had started. Emily was 28 years old. She lived alone in a small apartment near the city. She worked at an office as an assistant. Her life was simple. Wake up, go to work, come home, sleep. Many days felt the same. Emily often asked herself a quiet question. Is this all? She was not unhappy, but she was not excited either. Something felt missing. At work, Emily did her job well. She answered emails, she organized files, she helped her boss with small tasks. People said she was kind and reliable. But inside, Emily felt empty. During lunch break, Emily sat alone. She watched other people talk and laugh. She smiled, but she did not join. When she went home, she often felt tired, not in her body, in her heart. One evening, Emily stood in front of the mirror. She looked at her face. "You are still young," she said softly. "So why do you feel tired?" She did not know the answer. That night, Emily could not sleep well. Her mind was full of thoughts. She remembered her childhood. When Emily was young, she loved painting. She loved colours and paper. She could sit for hours and draw quietly. Her teacher once said, "You have talent. You should keep painting." Emily smiled when she remembered that. But life became busy. School, work, responsibility. Slowly, painting disappeared from her life. The next morning, Emily woke up earlier than usual. She made a cup of coffee and sat by the window. The city was quiet. The air was cool. She felt calm. Suddenly, an idea came to her mind. What if I start again, she thought. The idea felt small, but it felt warm. After work that day, Emily did not go straight home. She stopped at a small store. She bought paper. She bought simple colours. Her hands felt strange holding them, but her heart felt light. That night, Emily sat at her table. She opened the paper slowly. She did not know what to draw. She felt nervous. What if I'm bad now, she thought. She took a deep breath. Then she started. She painted simple shapes, simple lines, nothing special. But she felt happy. For the first time in a long time, Emily forgot about time. Days passed. Emily started painting every evening. Sometimes only 10 minutes, sometimes 30. She did not try to be perfect, she just enjoyed the moment. Slowly, something changed inside her. She smiled more. She slept better. At work, her co-workers noticed. "You look happier," one of them said. Emily smiled. "I feel happier," she replied. One weekend, Emily visited her parents. They lived in a quiet town. Her mother noticed her paintings in the bag. "What is this?" her mother asked. Emily felt shy. "I started painting again," she said. Her mother looked at the drawings carefully. Then she smiled. "You loved this when you were young," she said. "I'm glad you found it again." Those words stayed in Emily's heart. The next week, something unexpected happened. At work, Emily's boss called her into the office. "I have something to tell you," he said. Emily felt nervous. "We are changing the team," he continued, "and some positions will be removed." Emily felt her heart beat faster. "I'm sorry," he said. "Your position will end next month." Emily walked home slowly that day. The city felt different. She was scared. She was worried. "What will I do now?" she asked herself. That night, Emily sat quietly in her room. She looked at her paintings on the wall. She felt tears in her eyes. Then she remembered something important. Painting made her feel alive. She took a deep breath. "I don't know what will happen," she said softly, "but I know what I love." The next days were difficult. Emily looked for new jobs. She sent many applications. Sometimes she felt tired. Sometimes she felt hopeless. But every evening she painted. Painting became her safe place. One night, Emily shared one of her paintings online. She felt nervous before posting. "I am not a professional," she wrote. "I just love painting." She closed her laptop and went to sleep. The next morning, she checked her phone. Someone liked her painting. Then another person. Then another. One message caught her attention. "Your painting feels calm and honest," it said. "Do you sell your work?" Emily stared at the screen. Her hands were shaking. "I have never sold a painting," she replied, "but I can try." That was the beginning. Emily started sharing more paintings. People followed her work. Some bought small pieces. She did not become famous. She did not become rich. But she felt proud. A month later, Emily found a new job. It was part-time. It paid less. But it gave her time. Time to paint. Time to breathe. One evening, Emily walked in the park. The sky was orange and pink. She felt calm. She realized something important. Life does not change in one big moment. It changes slowly, quietly, step by step. Emily smiled. She was still learning, still unsure, but now she felt alive. And that was enough. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.